Hi everyone, I was thinking to make myself a basket, so at the same time I decided to make a tutorial to show you how I'm making a basket for myself, so you can make one for yourself as well. I love the color combination. I didn't know what I'm going to get at the end of the day, but I love this basket. This is one of my favorite, and my daughter actually asked for one basket for her too. So this is nice, beautiful. This is not very big. It is about 7.5 inches wide. But one suggestion, if you have a cat, I would suggest to make a bottom larger and have a few rows, maybe 3, and have this basket for your pet. This is another great idea. I don't have cats, so it's not for me, but if you have one, this would be perfect for your pet. And also for anything that you want to add and keep in this basket, it would be perfect. Something is gonna be nice and beautiful addition to my studio. Okay, let's get started. I have 2 strands. Let's make a slip knot. We'll chain 4 and connect into a circle. 2, 3, 4. Connect into a circle with a slip stitch. Chain 2. And now we'll double crochet into that middle 11 double crochet stitches. We count chain 2 as 1 double crochet, so you should have total 12. Counting the chain 2 as double crochet, otherwise 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and continue like this. Go all around. I have 12 double crochet stitches, so we'll connect 1 and 2 on the 2 strands here with a slip stitch. Next chain 2, and we'll go around into each stitch 2 double crochet. So now go into the next and make 2 double crochet and go around like this. At the end, counting the first one, chain 2, you should have total 24 double crochet stitches. So work like this. 2 double crochet into each stitch. Continue to crochet around. So I have 24, and again 1, 2 on the 2 strands with a slip stitch. Next row, chain 2. We'll double crochet, and then into each second stitch we'll make 2 double crochet. So I go ahead and crochet 2, then into my next stitch I will crochet 1 double crochet, and then 2 into the next. So we'll continue with this pattern. 1 double crochet and into the next 2 double crochet. Continue just like that all around. So will be 1 and 2, 1 and 2 all around. When you finish this row, you should have 36 double crochet stitches, and we'll connect the same as we did in previous rows. under 2 strands, just like this. Next, chain 2 and we'll double crochet with 1 double crochet and 1 and then 2 double crochet. Say as many rows as you want for the basket, depending how wide you want your basket to be. So again, we skip 2 in this row and then double crochet into the next row. We'll skip 3 and 2 double crochet in, and so forth. This is my row 4, fourth row, 1 2 3 4, and on that row you should have 48 double crochet stitches. So count your stitches to make sure you have correct number, and we connect just like this, and I'll crochet 1 more row, so it's gonna be total, I'll have 5 rows, and in this row 3 stitches, and then I will crochet 2. So 1 2 3 1 and then 2 double crochet. Row 5 you should have total 60 double crochet stitches, and row 5 it was 3 single single single, 2 double crochet. I mean 1 1 and 1 and 2 double. Again 2 double, 1 1 1 and 2 double, just like this, using this pattern. Remove that your crochet hook from this stitch and then go in between the stitches, wrap around, and now go into that stitch. Two strands. Okay, you have 2 strands, and pull through that stitch into the other side and make single crochet. Now wrap, okay, I used that, so go into the next double crochet, wrap around, yarn over and pull through into the other side and make single crochet. And we'll go around like this, wrap around and single crochet. Crochet like this with each double crochet stitch. Go like that. So you insert from one, go into another side, wrap the yarn and single crochet. Continue like this. So this is my last stitch to wrap around, and now I will insert into this, but will be switching the color. So I'm taking another color, 2 strands, wrap around and pull through, and I don't need that. I'll hide the ends later. So now I want to turn my basket, and I will start working into another direction. Okay, just like this. From the other side, from outside, I make single crochet, skip 1 stitch, go into the next and make single crochet. Now I come back into the stitch that I skipped, yarn over that, pull through that yarn. Now yarn over again and go back into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through that, and one more time, into the same stitch, and now pull through everything. Skip one stitch into the next, make single crochet, and we'll repeat. Go into that stitch that we skipped and pull through that yarn, yarn over, and go back, pull through, yarn over again, and one more time, yarn over and pull through that yarn. And now make single crochet. Okay, so we worked on this, skip that and make single crochet, and repeat. Go into the stitch that we skipped, pull that yarn, yarn over, go back. So we go into the stitch 3 times. Skip and make single crochet, and go back into that yarn with into the stitch and grab that yarn. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. Continue like this. Skip, we worked into this, skip, single crochet, and go around like this. And my almost done with this row. 1, 2, and 3. Skip. So into this I'm making single crochet. I want to show how to finish, and then coming up to the stitch that I skipped. 1, 2, 3. Pull through, and now we'll go around under here, those two, and I'm changing the color now. So I'll get another color, the one that I will be working on this. I go with burgundy, and then 2 strands, leave the tail enough to weave in through this and through that. Push a little bit, this and white. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this, leave enough. So now I go back into this stitch right here and grab that yarn and pull and do exactly as I did in my previous row. So chain, I skip this and go into the next and make single crochet, and now come back into that stitch and make one, two, three. Here we go. Skip into the next single crochet. So we basically go with the same stitch around the skip, and then go here, single crochet, and then come back into the stitch we skipped, one, 2, 3. Continue like this all around. So I'm finishing my burgundy. And yellow will be my next color choice. So I will now go and finish this row with yellow. And starting, okay, snap this. Chain 1, and then I skip and go into this, make single crochet, and then come back. 1, 2, 3. This row as well. And this is my last row. I went with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm adding blue. Blue is a little bit thinner yarn, but I'm taking 2 strands also. And actually I am going into that stitch 4 times, just because this yarn a little bit thinner, and to get the same effect I'm going into that one stitch back 4 times, 2, 3 and 4. So you can do that too if you feel that your yarn is a little bit different or something. So go ahead and just do the same thing and it's gonna be perfect. Okay, 1 here, and then with the slip stitch at the top, I love the colors. So I just pull now this and weave in the ends, hide the ends, and I love this basket. I love it. Beautiful and nice. I behind the tails. Beautiful, beautiful and nice. Love it. So I have to put my stuff in here. I don't know yet what I'm gonna this going to be for, but like very much the colors. Like it, love it, love it. So guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.